Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming Xbox Live and your subscription are active because online play requires them. Once done, power cycle both the Xbox One and your router to clear temporary network issues. This often fixes connection drops. Make sure system and game updates install. Patch mismatches prevent matchmaking. Next, check your NAT type in network settings. Aim for open or moderate. Strict NAT block sessions. These first steps remove the common blockers, so you can actually join Skate 3 lobbies. Now you tackle the trickier middle steps that usually fix persistent issues. Test multiplayer connection from network settings, note any error code, and use it to guide changes. If authentication seems sticky, remove your local profile and re-download it from Xbox Live so saved credentials refresh. Adjust router settings. Enable UPnP or forward Xbox Live ports, TCP 3074, UDP 88, and 3074 if UPnP is unreliable. Finish by reinstalling Skate 3 only if prior steps fail. Keep cloud saves enabled so you don't lose progress. Once the game is fresh, sign in and create a party, then invite a friend before launching matchmaking. That sequence often forces correct session hosting. If matchmaking still fails, reset your console network settings and restart everything, or test with a second Xbox account to isolate account-specific issues. One key tip: check Xbox Live service status. Outages explain many sudden online failures.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.